Are you interested in tutoring your native language online? Well, look no further. You came to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online using this app called Tutoroo. Tutoroo allows you to tutor students of all ages from anywhere in the world. You can literally be tutoring English, Chivenda, French, Sepedi, isiZulu, Kiribona, whatever your native language is and whatever language that you are fluent in, you can tutor it on this platform. And guess what? You don't even need a degree. You don't need money. You don't need experience. As long as you're fluent in the language, you can start working on this platform, okay? So pretty much all you guys need to do is start by signing up. You will need to fill in your information on the platform, and you will need to send them an introduction video about yourself, okay? Tutoroo will then review all that information and watch your video, and then they will get back to you. Tutoroo will send you students who are interested in learning your native language, and they will create a private chat with you and the student together with Tutoroo consultant, where you guys are going to discuss details in terms of when are you guys going to have lessons, and also how much are those lessons going to be, and in what form, in terms of like what channel are you guys going to use to conduct those lessons. Tutoroo gives you the option to tutor online or in person. I prefer to tutor online. It's just more easier and convenient for me. So the platforms that you can use to tutor your lessons on are platforms such as Zoom, WhatsApp, Skype, and Teams. In terms of your rate, you can charge your students an amount of 150 to 300 rands, depending on your level of experience and also the length of your lessons. Remember, since you are starting on this platform, it's always better to keep your prices low. Like I mentioned in the other video, starting at around 150, which is equivalent to like around $10, that should be very affordable for the students, and it will attract more students to your profile, because you'll find that other tutors are probably charging way higher. So obviously people are price conscious, so they are going to look at your rate, and if it's below everyone else's, then guess what, they are going to look at your profile and probably inquire about your services. So once you've gained the experience and have established yourself on the platform, then you can increase your rate per lesson. And like I mentioned before, if you have 4 to 5 lessons, you can easily make 1,000 to 1.5 in a week. The amount you will make will depend on your rate, and also the number of students you have, and also the length of your lessons within a week. So the pros of using Tutoroo is that you definitely are free to make up your own schedule and your availability in terms of tutoring the students. So you can choose how much you would like to be paid per lesson. You don't need any money to start. That's the good thing that I like about this platform. You just need your phone and the platforms that I mentioned earlier. That's all you need to start tutoring on this platform. You are free to bring and present your own materials. So Tutoroo does not provide you with any materials. You are free to bring your own materials. Another pro is that clients can pay you directly into your bank account. So you can choose your preferred method of payment, okay? So Tutoroo does not choose that for you. You choose it for yourself. The cons of using Tutoroo. One thing I don't like about the platform is that they are going to take 2 weeks worth of your pay, okay? So whenever those clients sign up, the first 2 weeks deposit is made into Tutoroo's account. So Tutoroo keeps all of that money, and you will only be paid from week 3 going forward. So anything within the first 2 weeks, Tutoroo keeps it. So that's a con that I really don't like about it, but hey, it is what it is. I'm guessing since they bring you the clients, they also take a share in that pay. Another con that I also don't really like is that you don't know when you're going to get a client. You don't know when the clients are going to be there. You just have to rely solely on Tutoroo to bring you those clients. So the jobs can be quite sporadic, meaning you're not going to probably make a regular income. It depends on the number of clients you get and also how long they will be taking up your classes. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this post is definitely not sponsored. This is me, again, sharing information with you guys to help those who would like to earn some money online. Okay, so if you have the time to kill, you have a nice cell phone that you can use, definitely sign up and start working. You don't lose anything. Okay, instead you might gain clients, make some money, and also build new valuable relationships. So if you have any further information that you would like to know, or you want clarification on something that you don't understand in the video, please definitely let me know in the comment section, or you can DM me on my Instagram page. I will gladly assist you with whatever question that you might have. So if you found value in this video, please definitely give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, okay? Turn on those post notifications so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you'd like to see more ways in making money online, please definitely check this video right over here that I made that will help assist you and give you more ideas in making money online, okay? And thank you so much for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure. I hope to see you in the next one. Let's go.